Hey guys, this is Devin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to terminate Cat5 or Cat6 cabling using an RJ45 pass-through connector. All you're going to need for this is your cabling, a pair of scissors, crimpers, strippers, and your RJ45 pass-through connector. We'll go ahead and start off by taking the cabling and the cable strippers, applying it 1.5 inches to 2 inches up the cable, circle it around forwards about 3 to 5 times, and then backwards the same. That's going to leave a score around the cable that allows you to bend it and then break that jacket away. Sometimes it can be a pain to get it off. You can score it around it some more if you need to. And at this point you're going to have 4 twisted pairs. That's why this cabling is known as UTP. That stands for unshielded twisted pairs. You've got a green set, a brown set, an orange set, and a blue set. Each of those has a striped conductor, which would be like white and blue, and then a solid one, which would be solid blue. You're going to want to go ahead and untwist all 4 of these pairs at this point. Okay, now that you have all those untwisted, you'll see there's a waviness in the wiring. That's memory from the twist ratio inside the jacket. Next thing you want to do is take that waviness out of the wire set. So you're going to take one pair, such as the green and the green and white, hold it between your thumb and index finger on one hand and your thumb and index finger on the other hand. Squeeze firmly and pull straight out. You can kind of bend up and then bend down while you're pulling, and that works a little bit better. You're not trying to make it perfect at this point. You're going to have a little curl on the tip. That's okay. Okay, now if you've untwisted all those and straightened them out, you're going to want to line those up in either your 568A or 568B TIA configuration. You can Google that. It's TIA 568B if you want to look that up. The B is what I chose to use, and all that is an orange and white, and then an orange solid, a green and white, blue solid, blue and white, green solid, brown and white, brown solid. Okay, once you get those lined up the way you want them, you're going to take your scissors and hold your cable wires firmly in between your fingers here and cut straight across. That's going to make all those flush so it goes into your connector easily. At this point, go ahead and take your connector and you're going to slide the wires through there. Most of the time they pass through easy. Sometimes they'll get hung up. Now if you look right here, there's a notch on the connector on the inside. You want that notch inside there, right here, below the white part, below the jacket. That's going to crimp to the jacket and hold the connector in place. At this point, you're going to take your cable crimpers, and you'll see there's a big side and a small side. You want to go ahead and feed these through the big side, over the blade on the other side. Push that in until it's plugged in all the way. Kind of hold it firmly in this hand while you're pushing down with this hand. Once you get it down a little bit, it's not going to go anywhere. Grab it with both hands, squeeze, and you'll see the blade on this side. Cut those wires sticking out away, and now you'll see the bare conductors there. You've got your colors. You can check on that end there to make sure everything remained in the right position, even after you've crimped it. And that's all there is to it. Now I will say, these strippers and these crimpers are my favorite. They're made by Ideal. You can pick them up at Lowe's. They work with the pass-through connector style. You have a couple of different connector styles you can work with, but the pass-throughs, in my opinion, are the easiest and fastest, for me at least, and that's what I prefer to use. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment or private message me, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.